Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fernam Liania Amir. Now I would like to tell about the techniques for teaching listening and speaking to elementary school students. For the first, I would like to tell about speaking techniques. The first technique is dialogues. I think dialogue is very common and easy to use in the learning process. For example, when we want to teach about greetings to the student have to make a dialogue with their friends, and they can answer and ask the question like, hello, good morning to, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you like, nice to meet you too, like that. I think it's a very common and it's very easy to apply. The second one is storytelling. This activity will get students to tell about their own story to their classmates, like when they went to the grandma and grandpa house, they have to tell about their experience. That's all about the techniques to teach speaking for students. Now I would like to tell about listening techniques. The first technique is listen and follow. The teacher gives some instruction to the student like touch your head, touch your nose, touch your ear, like that. And the student have to listen first what the teacher says and they follow what the instruction is. The second one is whispering games. The teacher should whisper some word, some English word to the student, and the students have to continue the word, the same word to their friends, and until the last person say it aloud and correctly. The last but not least is listen and repeat. I think this technique is a very useful and it's a very easy to use than the other technique. Like when we have the material like good morning, like how are you, we have to say it first and the student repeat what we say. They have to listen first what we say and repeat the. Because we are in the pandemic COVID-19 situation, I think listen and repeat is a very easier to apply to improve student speaking and listening skills. I have an example to teach students using listen and repeat techniques. Here is the example. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang greetings. Ada yang sudah mengetahui apa itu greetings? Greetings adalah ungkapan sapaan atau salam yang dilakukan seseorang ketika ingin bertegur sapa dengan orang lain. Jadi, seperti yang kita ketahui sebelumnya, greetings itu adalah ungkapan salam yang biasa kita kenal. Di sini Ibu punya gambar. Coba, apakah kalian sudah mengetahui apa yang dimaksud dengan gambar ini? Ya, gambar ini menjelaskan bagaimana cara seseorang bertegur sapa atau mengucapkan salam. Tentu saja setiap negara berbeda-beda ya. Tapi hari ini kita akan hanya mempelajari ungkapan-ungkapannya saja. Baik, mari kita mulai. Kita bisa mengatakan hello. Hello untuk menyapa seseorang. Hello, atau kita juga dapat mengatakan hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Ada yang tahu ini gambar apa? Ada ayam sama ada matahari. Ada ayam dan ada matahari. Ada yang sudah mengetahui? Ya, gambar ini menjelaskan suasana di pagi hari. Jika kita ingin menyapa seseorang di pagi hari, kita dapat mengucapkan Good morning. Good morning. Ayo semuanya ikutin apa yang sudah Ibu katakan ya. Good morning. Good morning. Oke, good. Selanjutnya, gambar apa ini? Ada matahari? Kira-kira apa? Ya, betul. Ini menggambarkan keadaan di siang hari. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa seseorang di siang hari? Kita bisa mengatakan good afternoon. Ayo, repeat what I say ya. Good afternoon. Good. Next. Ini menggambarkan suasana sore hari. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa seseorang di sore hari? Kita dapat mengatakan good evening. Good evening. Artinya selamat sore. Selanjutnya, ada 2 orang yang mau tidur atau yang sedang tidur. Jadi, ketika kita ingin mengucapkan selamat malam kepada seseorang, kita bisa mengatakan good night. Good night. Oke? Tapi, kita tidak dapat menggunakan kata good night ketika masih jam 7 sampai jam 8 malam. Kita dapat menggunakan good night hanya kepada seseorang yang ingin pergi tidur. Seperti itu ya. Oke, ayo kita ulang. Good morning. Good morning. Selanjutnya, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oke, good. Nah, ini beberapa contoh kalimat sapaan yang dapat kita gunakan untuk menyapa seseorang, baik yang sudah kita kenal maupun yang belum kita kenal. Contoh pertama adalah how are you? Hello, how are you? Yang artinya, halo, bagaimana kabarmu? Selanjutnya ada how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Sama ya artinya, seperti apa kabarmu? Selanjutnya ada how do you do? How do you do? How do you do ini digunakan kepada seseorang yang belum pernah kita kenal atau yang belum pernah kita temui sebelumnya. Bagaimana cara merespon kata how are you? Kita dapat mengucapkan I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Atau I am very well, thank you. Aku baik, terima kasih. Aku sangat baik, terima kasih. Selanjutnya, untuk mengucapkan kata perpisahan yang berkesan, kita dapat menggunakan kata nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Lalu, kita juga dapat merespon nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too, yang artinya senang bertemu denganmu. Selain kata nice to meet you too dan nice to meet you, kita dapat menggunakan kata glad to see you. Glad to see you too. Sekarang, follow about what I say ya. Sekarang ikutin apa yang Ibu katakan. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Next, how are you doing? How are you doing? The last, how do you do? How do you do? Good. I am very well, thank you. I am very well, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good. Glad to see you. Glad to see you too. Okay, good job everyone. Next, I have example Ibu punya contoh, ada Stella dan Gina. Mereka sedang melakukan percakapan. Listen what I say ya. Hi Gina, good morning. Good morning Stella, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. How is Hendra? He is fine, thank you. Now, you all have to follow what I say. Hi Gina. Good morning. Good morning Stella. How are you today? I am fine, thanks. How is Hendra? He is fine, thank you. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you.